How to tag someone on WhatsApp status. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp and log into your account using your phone number. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Updates, and then you'll find My Status in here. Click on My Status and select any video, photo you want. You can also just click a picture, then you'll find add option on bottom right of a green arrow. Click on it and then select from your contacts. And then simply you can also choose who can view your status. After doing that, simply click on green button arrow and you're good to go. That's how you tag someone on WhatsApp status. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.